Hey everyone, in today's tutorial, I will be demonstrating how to use AI art and ChatGPT to create insane realistic images. We will be utilizing two popular AI tools for this purpose. The first one is ChatGPT, which accepts text inputs and generates text outputs. You might be familiar with it, as it has been making headlines for quite some time now. The second tool we will be using is Leonardo AI, which takes text prompts and transforms them into images, just like the ones you see here. While I know that Midjourney is quite popular, we will be using Leonardo AI because it offers a free option. Many individuals have been creating stunning images with Leonardo AI, and in this video, our goal is to put ChatGPT's imagination to the test. We will be asking ChatGPT to generate some text prompts that we can then use with Leonardo AI. Essentially, this video will serve as a test of ChatGPT's creative abilities. So, let us explore the fascinating world of Leonardo AI art and see what ChatGPT can conjure up. But before we get started, if you are keen on staying updated with the latest AI tools and learning how to utilize them effectively, our channel is your ultimate resource. We regularly provide updates and instructional videos on harnessing AI tools in the modern world. Be sure to hit the subscribe button. Your support fuels our ability to create content like this. Alright, let us move forward. Our first step is to ensure we are all on the same page. We begin by asking ChatGPT if it understands what text prompts are. And, as expected, it has a clear grasp of this concept. Now, let us get to the exciting part. We will kick things off by gathering text prompts from Leonardo AI's sample images, which are available in its community feed. We are specifically looking for realistic images, so we will start by searching for them. Simply click on the search bar and type in realistic images. It will then provide you with pictures matching your search criteria. Once you find an image that piques your interest, just click on it and then hit the copy prompt button. With our prompts in hand, it is time to leverage ChatGPT's creativity. We request ChatGPT to generate some creative text prompts based on the examples we have gathered. As you can see, ChatGPT responds with a variety of imaginative prompts, giving us plenty to work with. With a suitable prompt in hand, we move back to Leonardo AI. On the left-hand side, we select AI Image Generation and paste the chosen text prompt into the provided field. The results are nothing short of impressive. Leonardo AI works its magic, turning these text prompts into stunningly realistic images that are truly captivating. Let us keep the exploration going. We repeat the process, copying and pasting new text prompts into Leonardo AI to generate more incredible images. These creations are truly remarkable, demonstrating the powerful synergy between ChatGPT's prompt generation and Leonardo AI's image rendering capabilities. And here's a neat tip. If you prefer not to use ChatGPT, you can directly copy prompts from the images within Leonardo AI, paste them into the text box, and make minor adjustments. The results are equally stunning as we have seen earlier. And that's it. It is truly astounding to witness the artistic prowess of Leonardo AI and the creative prompts generated by ChatGPT. These images are incredibly realistic with only minor details separating them from actual photographs. We hope you have enjoyed this video as much as we have. If you did, please show your support by giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel. Your encouragement keeps us motivated, and we greatly appreciate it. Until next time, take care and stay inspired.